Dana Residence, Excellency Sheikh Sultan bin Nahyan, my brother, ambassador, and the others. First of all, coming to Pakistan, and above all that, I am so moved that the posthumous recognition of late Sultan Khan, it's a huge recognition not just to the game of chess, but to the Pakistan's and Pakistani society itself. So thank you. When Mr. Fawad shared with me this idea a few months back, a couple of months back, or 1 or 2 months back, I am certain that it couldn't have been realized today without his personal indulgence. So thank you, Fawad Sab. You have left a mark in many areas, and today, again, to the sports mind games, I acknowledge all your contributions. Mr. Wani, great job. You've achieved, just like your past endeavors. You are a great asset to this country. Cognitive activity, critical thinking, future generation, children, these little angels, they're all coming to my mind when I was just sitting here and listening to the talks from our dignitaries and other colleagues. This is where future belongs. This is where the fate and the destiny of not just Pakistan but entire globe lies. We are a global community. We are an international community, and that community needs coordination, cooperation. In that cooperative mode, sports is of course an important activity. And when you are thinking about those gambits of the chess game, it's not just that limited time in that sports in which you produce professionals or someone would reach the level of a grandmaster, but the amateurs. I have also played as an amateur in my late childhood and early adulthood, I would say. That actually leads people to discipline their mind to be good doctors, to be good scientists, to be good engineers, to be good politicians, bureaucrats, in many areas of their probably a preferred professional life, while carrying this as an hobby. I'm so delighted, I'm so happy that I made commitment to this cause, and as soon as I retire from this stint, I can assure this audience that I will continue to support this cause, and we will promote it, we will do advocacy for it, and every school in this country should have access to such sports. So thanking you once again to be here. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.